Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Pad and let me share with you how to change video resolution or aspect ratio on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the camera app, and right now we are in the standard photo mode. So we have to switch to the video one. Let's tap on the video here, and since you can see this red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So now we have to enter the settings, which are right now in the left upper corner, yes, but after turning the device, they will be in the right upper corner. So let's tap on it, and let's switch to the let's move to the camera settings, and as you can see on the second position we've got the video aspect ratio for the rear camera. So let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got three different options from which we can choose. So we've got both HD, but there's a difference in 1080p and 720p, and we've got also the SD option with 480p. It's really up to you which option you'd like to use. Of course, you can change it just by tapping on the option you'd like to set. So let me pick, for example, this one. As you can see, it is notified right here that from now on it is set, so your device will record videos in chosen aspect ratio, but I highly recommend to keep it on the first option, the first option applied, because this is the best possible here. So actually, this is it. This is how to change video resolution or aspect ratio in your REALME Pad. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.